Hello everyone, today we will do some sky replacement stuff and I have searched here sky PNG and we will be replacing the sky of this image. Here the sky is super flat, so we have to replace this flat sky because we need some dramatic sky at the background of this image. So we will download some PNG file and replace this white sky with this dramatic sky. So this sky is looking very nice because this sky is dark. So how to search this PNG files? Just check your image. My image is dark. Now the sky image will be also dark. So we will download this image, dark sky image, this one. Yeah. Next we will go to photo layers app and we will load our this one and then we will add our sky, this one. Okay, currently it is not looking that much good, so we will just keep it here. And one problem in this app is there, whenever we will edit this layer we cannot able to see the background layer, so we don't know how much portion of the sky we will remove. So this app we will not use, we will use Snapseed. So we will go to Snapseed, load this image, go to tools, double exposure, add, then add PNG file. One problem in this app is there, you cannot able to add this PNG file. That is the problem in Snapseed. Now what is the option left? So as you have seen, you cannot able to use PNG files on Snapseed. So what we will do, we will download some JPG file, JPEG file, not PNG file. Okay, so let's download something good. Now we'll open Snapseed, we'll open the old our photo and then we will go to double exposure and we'll add our sky. Okay, so to this. Okay, so if we'll add, it will look like this. So this is the opacity, you can see the background layer as well as the top layer. Okay, so what we will do, we will click OK. Okay, so now you can see the background layer you cannot able to see, so go to this and then view edit, then go to this, then brush. So on this you can able to brush those parts which you need. So it is showing in red because I have enabled this, so disable that one. Now you can able to see. So if you enable this red part, then only you can able to see which part you are brushing. So zoom in and properly brush it. Okay, so after adding this part, what we will do, we will darken the sky because bottom part is also dark, so we will add some darkness. Okay, so we will reduce the brightness on all the parts. Also we will remove the saturation, we don't want blue sky. Okay, so we will reduce the saturation here. We have to make the sky more dark. Okay, done. Now it is looking little bit better. After doing this, we will export this to Lightroom, and there we will apply some more effect. Okay, so in this was the original image, this was the edited image, and this was the sky replaced image. Okay, so we'll see some effect on this thing here, and we'll increase the light. Okay, looking little bit better. Yes, but there is huge blue, so we have to little bit reduce the blue. So we'll go to color, blue color, saturation will reduce. We'll make something like this color. Yes.